Bonafide Hustler here, and in this video, I want to show you an item that you can look for that consistently sells for more money within a day. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my garage. And I'm about to show you an item that consistently sells within a day for more money. So obviously, you need to buy this item at a good price point. But this thing is one of the fastest selling things, in my 20 plus years of reselling that I consistently look for. And yesterday I was able to score another one. 2 months ago, I scored, about like 6 weeks ago, I scored one at a Goodwill for, what did I pay? Like $15 for it. And it sold for $5.50, I want to say, within a day. So anyways, the one that I found yesterday was $100, and it should sell here in the next 15 minutes for $600. And the crazy part is, once I listed this item, I had someone waiting to buy it or coming into the messages on Facebook Marketplace. I had someone messaging me within 15 minutes of me posting this item. Before I show you the item, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free money making guide right here. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you some items that you can look for that you can predominantly buy used, sell for more money, and make profit. Okay, so what's this item? And first of all, I found this on Facebook Marketplace, and the crazy part is there were 2 listings that were severely underpriced, and I basically said, like, I'll come right now to get those. There are 2 different people obviously listing the item. One was listed for $175, and my price point in my head is like, worst case scenario, like $500. So one was listed for $175, and the other one was listed for $100. And these are also deals that, by the way, that I did not talk down. I was like, I'll buy it right now, cash in hand. So the $100 person got back to me. I dropped everything, and my girlfriend and I, we went out there and got it. And and then the $175 person, basically I wasn't first to respond on that one. So I almost got 2 of these things yesterday, but anyway, here it is right here. And it's a Concept 2 rower, okay? Concept 2 Model D rowing machine. This thing came out in 2014, and it is a really, really cool, well, actually industry standard rowing machine, right? All the CrossFit gyms use it. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about like what to look for. But these things are kind of like indestructible, and they're basically like lifetime type equipment things. And this is the reason why people buy these things. It's like the Toyota FJ or the Toyota Corolla of rowing machines, right? So yeah, let's take a look at this thing in more depth. Let me flip this camera around and teach you a little bit more about this thing. The price point, like I said earlier, is going to be somewhere between $100 and $200 is where you want to score these things, and you want to aim for that $500 price point. So yeah, this is a Concept 2 Model D, as you can see right there, and there's really nothing that goes wrong with these things. We have a basic kind of roller thing right here. It's a rowing machine, right? And so you can see right here, it's in perfect condition. It's got some, scuffs, whatever, but it is rolling really nicely, right? And obviously here are the footwells. And hold on, let me let this thing come by. Hey, go back over there. Don't disturb my video. Okay, cool. Hey. All right, so these are the footwell things, and basically you adjust to put your feet in there with these little slits right here. And this goes up and down. You can kind of see it right there based upon the shoe size of the person that wants to do the rowing. You would put your foot in here, and then you kind of ratchet it down real quick, nothing crazy. And then we have a chain that goes into the actual machine down there. And basically this thing has air resistance. And as you can see right here, you can adjust the resistance just with this thing right there. Got it? Okay. So outside of that, when you're dealing with these Concept 2 rowers, there's a couple things that you want to look for. First of all, the gray ones, this is the black one right here, the ones with the gray outside, those are more than likely PM3 computers. And the PM5 is the one that's more sought after right here. This one I think has Bluetooth connectivity to like a heart rate monitor, all that kind of stuff. So that's a PM5. In the top right corner, it'll either say PM3, PM5, and you definitely want to get the PM5 if possible, but still the PM3 sells really well too. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and then obviously as soon as you start to row, right, I'm gonna pull, and it should sound really nice, and you should feel like wind coming out of those little holes right there. So here I am doing it. And the reason why I'm doing that real quick is that's how you kind of test to see if it's working. See, the radio just turned on automatically. We're pretty good right here. You can do a bunch of other stuff in the menu. You can look at, basically, you know, whatever you want to do. You can do the games, you can do the workout, you can do more options. You can kind of see what exact model it is, lifetime kind of meters if someone asks those kind of questions. But to be honest, when someone asks about the lifetime meters and everything like that, I kind of don't respond to those kind of people because they're basically looking for a way to talk you down. So I kind of just wait for the buyer that's just like, I want to get that thing, you know, I'm ready to come and I want it, you know? So I hold out for those kind of people. But you know, you might get the question of like, how many meters does it have on it? And the machine does record that. But I also think that there are a bunch of buyers that don't care about that. And so I wait for those buyers to come around. Outside of that, you know, let me show you one more thing real quick. So this thing can actually, you know, go vertical just by taking this all the way up there, right? And so it can store not in this lengthened position just by, you know, rocking it all the way up. And it also has wheels right here, so you can kind of truck it around wherever you want to bring it. Now, if you're thinking, how do I get this long thing in my car? Well, that's what this is for right here. You do this, and basically you bring the thing up like that. And what happens is it splits up in two pieces. So there's a piece right here, and then there's a piece right there. So all that is right here. This little thing has like a little hook mechanism in there. And that's how you separate the machine into two pieces, all right? So it's pretty self-explanatory. You're definitely looking for the Concept 2 Model Ds. And like I said, the PM3, a little bit older of a computer style. The PM5 is probably the one you wanna really look for, but plenty of people ask, you know, $600 to about $900 in resale for a PM3 or a PM5, and people buy them. So I just happen to get a lot of like Concept 2 PM5s. So yeah, anyway, this is the machine, and look for this stuff on Facebook, Craigslist, wherever, and make your price point maybe $200 or less, and then aim for $500 or more. And I got someone here to give me hopefully $600 cash for the $100 machine that I picked up yesterday evening. And yeah, not too bad right there. If you enjoy this video, then make sure you hit the like button. But yeah, person's about to show up. Let's get this money.
You know what? I thought it was really nice.
Okay, so the lady is leaving and the rowing machine's in the back of that truck. And yeah, we have $600 sitting right here. And that's how easy it is to flip one of those things. So be on the lookout for those things. I found this one on Facebook Marketplace, but the last one I flipped, which was like 6 weeks ago, that one was found at a Goodwill. Just be on the lookout, and I hope this video helps you out. But yeah, that's literally kind of like real time. Here we go. Some cheddar. I love it. So follow my channel, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.